Hello, today we will be installing non-Steam launchers using Lutris on Bazi Linux. First, you're going to want to open up Lutris, and then you're going to go over to the hamburger menu. And then you're going to add games, and then you can search, and then I put in BattleNet. That's probably the only launcher I use. You can do Epic Games, you can do GOG, you can do itch.io. Um, Ubisoft, there's plenty of launchers on Lutris. Yeah, create a shortcut, create Steam shortcut so you can play it in game mode. It shouldn't take too long to install all the dependencies. This is the first part is dependencies, and then we'll go into it going into the actual installer for BattleNet. And we're finishing up, and launcher's open. You just install it like you would install it on Windows. Yep, it'll go through the install, and then you're golden. You have BattleNet. You can play Diablo, you can play World of Warcraft. Um, you can even do whatever you want. It'll all run off Proton, usually just the latest build. But enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Um, follow along for more. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.